Now, we discussed in the previous classes libraries and the bootstrap yesterday. I'm just going to give a quick recap and we will do some project today regarding the bootstrap one. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start our JavaScript. Okay, ma? Now, before we start, does anyone created any site to show? Does anyone have link? Yesterday I gave that much big speech, Ray. So it all went vain. At least raise your hands honestly. How many of you tried yesterday? Good. Down. Do it slowly. कुछ नहीं होता. I'm giving in a deadline. Bootstrap project. I wanted by Monday. Okay. Some project regarding Bootstrap. Let me share the screen. Online, if anyone have any site, you can show it to me. Someone named Jahnavi shared a site. Go Turkey. Oh, see this. Did you see that effect? And you know that how you did that, right? Animate CSS. And it's like the Turkey one. And you can see, instead I put it an effect like going up. They put it something going down. And they chose one line only. Something down, nice. It's having in a good language. Oh, different style. Good. I need some kind of more design into it. Like this Turkey experience, something having some space. I want some kind of more padding to it. If I click on services, it's not going anywhere. About contact, it's not going anywhere. Except that remaining is okay for me. Now, next, someone created a tourism site. Tourism, plan your trip, get started. Okay, let's click it. Oh, it's having its Taj Mahal Golden Temple. Let's go here, Taj Mahal. It's opening Taj Mahal page. This is really good. The site itself good. Why you open only Taj Mahal, Ray, when I click Mysore Palace? Golden Temple. Taj Mahal only is coming. Something wrong is logic. But UI is okay. Next. Sweet crumbs. Chocolates, cupcakes, cakes, go down sweets, rolls. It's looking good, but it's not doing anything. It's too static. I allow you to put something more better. Amul ice cream parlor. This one is looking good there. But see, the problem with the freshers are if you show them one design, they will follow the same design. And this is same my design only, right? Don't copy the designs, right? It's about your creativity. Instead of my bike is moving there, the Amul girl is moving. That's it. Right? Same effect also. See, it is like the same thing. I don't know what they changed. Let it be better, sir. Make it something better, sir. Now, if I go, someone Ankur opened a thing. Hello. We can, oh, okay. Their screen is there. Nice. No worries. No worries. Who is this? Ankur Anand Mishra. It's really good. Someone tried to clone the Spotify and it's really good. It's good, 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 good. Perfect. JavaScript will start from tomorrow, sir. Someone tried to create it here using whenever you hover on it, it's moving, sir. This is something bootstrap. Good. Next. That's really a good idea, but it will like see same thing it is. Who created this ray? It's the same animation they put same website. Earlier I have seen one website, it is the same site. Two people created the exactly same site. How? Any other sir? Any other website you guys tried? Has anyone tried anything that have link? Oh, Janavi created too. Then change it, Ray. Change the design. Any other? Online, at least 4 or 5 people are showing it, reminding people what's happening here. When HTML started, everyone will show. By the end of CSS, it's blank. What about tomorrow? We have JavaScript. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start our JavaScript. Then it's like you guys disappear, na? Someone, Shushma, created one site. Oh, what is this? Why it is not allowing me? Okay, I put it double. Same thing. No, no, no. It's Happy Diwali site. At least this one is okay for me. You know why? At least it has some kind of theme and it's going simple. Make it something good. It's all static pages, Ray. You completed CSS also and you are creating only static pages. Make it a beautiful sites. Let's create a beautiful site today using something bootstrap or at least some kind of site today. Okay, let's go down. This much effect you should not make. It's like shaking. Go to VS Code. Go to Visual Studio Code, sir. File. Open folder. Click on a folder which you are doing it every day. HTML, CSS, JS4. Open. Now, does anyone have any questions regarding Bootstrap which we discussed yesterday? I'm gonna repeat it. In Bootstrap, we have three things, main important things. First one, colors. Bootstrap have 8 colors. Primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, dark, light. Any doubts, sir? No. Next, Bootstrap have something called layout. That means you can define something called rows. You can define something called rows, and inside the rows, you can put something called columns. Right or not? You can give how much bit you column you want. And to maximum columns, you can give it per row is 12 columns. Okay. So 6 by 6, 3 by 9, 10 by 12, your wish. Now, you can give something called breaking points. Breakpoints means like at different devices, you want different kinds of, layout that you can use it using breakpoints. Bootstrap uses a breakpoints like SM, SM, MD, LG, XL, double XL. Default one is less than 576. And Bootstrap also have every other utilities are like if you want paddings P, if you want heights H, if you want margins M, if you want something borders border, if you want something like border radius rounded, or if you want float, if you want flux deflux. Any doubts, sir? No. Let's start creating a website, ma. Online. See, yesterday I created this one. I did not put a single line also. Same thing we will do it mostly. Online, is it clear till now? Online, are you all getting it, ma? Please respond yes. Yeah. Offline also clear only, na? If you are not getting it, let me know. Okay. Now, now let's go here. If anyone not getting it, please respond. Now, inside the bootstrap, let's do a project. I'm doing a project. Components we will use in this project. Okay. Components I will explain in this project. Now, what website we will create, Ray? This time, what kind of website we will build? Health, healthcare system. Or you can build e-commerce also. That's more easy. Go here, index.html, style.css. Now go here, index.html, exclamation, enter. And inside this, online bookshop. Online bookshop. Any doubt, sir? Sir, are you getting my point, ma? We are creating something called online bookshop. Now, you can, instead of this, you can put it some kind of name like Book Bazaar, online bookshop. Now, let's go here. Let's put it one by one by one. Book, favicon. Let's go here, favicons. Let me put one favicon here. Right click, open image, copy. Go here, link favicon. I think everyone knows about favicons. Now here I'm giving one favicon, which is a book image. Now next, link CSS. Any doubt, sir? Sir, you linked your CSS, you linked your favicon, but you have to link Bootstrap also, na? Go to Bootstrap website. Bootstrap official website is getbootstrap.com. Go to docs, go to introduction, go down. You can able to see the site. This is CSS link. Copy. Before CSS, copy the Bootstrap CSS link. And this is JavaScript link. Copy. Always remember this basic point, ma. JavaScript file will be end of the body. JavaScript will be end of the body. CSS will be end of head. CSS will be end of head. JavaScript will be end of body. Now Control C. Clear? Any doubts? Sir, till now, does anyone have any questions? You did not do anything till now. Are everyone clear, ma? Especially to the boys and girls who are offline. Please respond yes or no, because if you are silent after half an hour, you will be sound sleepy. Is it clear? Amaya. Now, let's go here. So I want to create a website which is like header, main, footer. Perfect. Inside the header, I want one navigation menu, right or not? Now, sir, if you want to create a navigation menu, in olden times we used to create it. But yesterday I told you, Bootstrap also provides you components. Components means everything you want, they will provide you ready-made, right or not? Sir, does they provide you this also, sir? Yes. Go there. Go to components, go down, go down, go down. Can you see components, ma? Now inside the components, you can see one component is there called nav bar. Click on the component nav bar. Now they have something a big navigation bar, sir. Now navigation bar. Let's copy. Let's go. Let's paste it. Now click on go live and we'll see how my website is coming. Now this is what my website is. Any doubt, sir? Did I did anything, sir? No. Already the component is built. Interesting point is this component is responsive. Now if I go here, right click, inspect, see I will get this also hamburger. Now I will go here. I will go here. Sir, if you just copy and paste it, now you have to see because I don't have time constraint. Sorry, because I have constraint and don't have time. I am just copying it. You guys learn it and copy. Or if you also not have time, copy it and then learn it. I will show you how to learn it now. First, everything is inside the header, right or not? Now, can you see the lines? Nav bar. Oh, it is a navigation bar. Nav bar expand LG. What does it mean? That means this navigation bar will expand. That means this navigation bar will expand. This navigation bar will expand in the large devices. Before large devices, what will happen, sir? It will not expand. It will have something hamburger icon. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, next, body, BG body territory. That means background will have some kind of territory one. I don't like it. BG body black. Anyone guess what will happen? No, so it's not BG body black. It's directly make it BG black. That's more perfect. Any doubts? Any doubts, sir? Absolutely no, right? Now, okay, I understand one line. Next line, again close everything. Like this, line by line, try to close. Then you will understand better. Are you getting it, ma? Now, container fluid. Container fluid means it will make it like full line. I don't want it, sir. I want it like container. That means left and right, some gap will come. Container will give left and right some gap. Someone in the online is asking what is LG. Yesterday I explained you. LG means from where the LG will start, sir? 992. Very good. Thank you. Now, next, inside the container, you can see it. A class navbar brand. Oh, this is the brand image. That means this is where I have to put my title. This is where I have to put my logo. So I will write it here. Book. Book. Bazaar. And this book bazaar, I will give it here class name. Basically, I will give here class name text white. Because background black, na? If I give text white, what will happen? This book bazaar will come text white, na? Any doubts? No. This in this only bazaar, I want text primary. Now what will happen, sir? Only bazaar will come in. Are you getting my point? Everyone understanding now? Next one. Okay, छोड़ दो ये line हो गया. उसके बाद read it. Something button is there. If you read carefully, this button is having something toggler icon. If you remember, when you go for shorter devices, you are getting hamburger icon, na? That is this hamburger icon. So for this hamburger icon, I will make it background white. So let's go here. See? Any doubts, sir? No. Good. I will remove one by one by one. If I whatever I don't like, I will just remove it only. Now, okay. Button is also over. Now next. I will not even touch the remaining things, sir. Okay. Now here, this is what collapse. Collapse means by default, this one is not coming. By default, mobile screen, this one is collapsed. But when it comes to navigate, when it comes to larger screen, it is coming. This is the menu. Now in this menu, what you put? Everything is inside a nav bar now. Having margin E auto. Margin E means end. That means right side auto, bottom 2. In large devices, margin will have bottom 0. Now each one is one navigation item. Each one is one navigation item. We have a navigation link, home. But I can't see home na. Can anyone tell me how to make it visible? Text white. Already background color black ना. खाली इतना सिंपल है वो. आ गया वो. Next. Another navigation item is there. Another navigation link is there. Text white. Link will come. Now I don't want link. I will say about. About us. Then next. Down. This one is having some kind of drop down only. So let's say text white. I think yesterday I told you there is one extension. If you install that extension IntelliSense for CSS jig and D, you will get suggestions like this. If you don't, you will not get any suggestion. Now next, for this drop down menu also, let's make it each one color. Text white. Text white. Now something disabled button is there. First I will see what is what available. Disabled buttons. I don't want any disabled button. Chod do. Now go here. This is what it is coming, sir. If I click on this drop down, I am getting it again. Now, did you see the problem, sir? Background is white. I put text also white. Now here mistake. Text white should not be there. Huh? Now go here. Any doubt, sir? Can we change the name, sir? Drop down. Or what kind of books we will have? Uh, like we'll have genres. Action, drama, sci-fi. If you want a divider, see they put something drop down divider. If they put something HR class drop down divider, automatically a divider come in between them. If you don't put this line, that divider will not be there. Any doubt, sir? Now, sir, I don't want this search button only. There are two approach. If you like it, keep it this. If you don't like it, remove that search button. Make this one go there. Simple. Which one you want? You want to keep the search or you want it to make it right side? Huh? Move it to right side. Keep it such. Okay, then nice. Then let's go. Let's go and let me add it more. Let me add it here. Control C, Control V. Now here, comedy, comics. Anime is what we watch. Actually, that's comic section only when we read. Fantasy. You can even put rows and columns, sir. What if I put it here? Div dot row inside div dot call asterisk 2. Now inside the first column 3, inside the second column 3. Why it's not coming? They should come. Row. Some setting is stopping them. So it's better normal only then. Next. Sir, why don't I put it here in center? I need it one more button, sir, for contact. Let me go here, top. Let's take it one more li. Let's paste this li again. One more li. This is contact us. Now right click, inspect. Now, when you are inspecting, you will understand the website more easily, sir. Now, if you see, this is what the website, guys, please understand always when you are checking the websites, you will check like this. Try to see it like where exactly the flux box is there. Now, see, this is all coming this side. Oh, that is why it is coming. This is separate, that is separate. In this div only, two things are there. Now, gap between them, they are display flux and are they having any kind of gap? Write it here. Just gap between them. Justify content. Center. Gap 20 pixel. Why it is not working? That means something in this only wrong. Come down. Go inside. This UL. See, can you see here? Right side it is taking more gap. Why? Flux direction row. Margin right auto. Did you see that? Now margin right auto. Why margin right auto is coming, sir? You gave somewhere ME auto. Where did you give ME auto? Remove कर. Any doubt, sir? No. Now just write it here. Justify content. Justify content space evenly. Now Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? Now, only for the search bar. Go here, search bar, search bar, search bar. This is the form. See, if you wanted CS, if you wanted something like Bootstrap in kind of forms, you will use something called form control. Form control for every input. Okay, now here display flux, floatant, or justify content. No, it's not working. Now this is BTN online success. I don't want it. Outline primary. Okay, next one, sir. After this section, now go here, go to here. Now you can see so many are there. See, so many components they are providing it. But did you understand what are the classes they provided, sir? Try to understand what classes they provided. Next, I am gonna take another component which is called carousel. I am taking it something called carousels. Someone is asking me how can we created a nested drop down. Nested drop down is nothing but nested list, sir. One list inside and another list. If you put it automatically, it will come the nested drop down. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now, but actually, I'm currently or evening shifts. Okay. Everyone, let's focus. Let's go down. There is something called carousel. Bootstrap also gives something called sliders. For slider, you may need to do some kind of chota JavaScript, but the JavaScript they will only do it. So let's go here. Let's take it a slider which you like. So I will like one slider, something crossfade, auto playing. Let me go here. Copy. Carousels are very simple. If you give class name, see class name carousel, and each class name carousel inner, and inside each carousel inner you will give something called carousel item. That's it. Carousel, carousel inner, carousel slide, or a carousel item. Simple. Then automatically you will get it. Now go here. Then after this header, let me close the addresser. Inside this section, ID, banner, inside this. Now, if you want to create it on your own, a basic template is very simple. Basically, carousels, if you write it div class carousel, it will give carousel. And inside this carousel, you have to give two things, three things. One is carousel inner. This will contain the slides. Carousel means slider. Whatever the sliders you want will be inside this. And you need two buttons. One is for previous button. One is for next button. And after this, inside each carousel inner, you will have something called carousel item. Item. That's it. Inside the item, what you will put your wish. How many items you put, that many sliders will come. If inside the items, if you put the image, you will get images. If inside the item you put a row and again divide it as columns, you will get multiple columns images. Are you getting my point, sir? Now, this one, they did it already, which is what? Section hash banner. Now, the same thing they did, sir. If you see, everything is inside something called carousel, class carousel. And they gave an effect called sliding effect. Inside the carousel, you have carousel inner and you have button, you have another button. Any doubt, sir? No. Inside the first inner, you are having carousel item. Three items are there. That means three sliders will come. Each slider is having an image. Let me give my own images. Let's go here. Let's put it here. Images. Book banner. So let's go here. Right click, open image. Right click, open image. Right click, open image. Let's go here. Control C. It's not clear actually, but still. Again, IMG. Again, IMG. Now let's give here something class name. IMG fluid, which will exactly fit it onto the screen. W100 means width, sir. If you do 2 to 3 sides, you will remember it for life. Let's go here. Let's go. Now, if you see, this is my website now. See arrows. Are you getting my point, sir? Any doubts, ma? Sir, what is active in the classroom? Whatever you put it active will be the first one. Any doubts here? Carousel is not shrinking. The problem is like the images make it shrink. Okay. The images are not actually in an exact size. If you take it like all images in the same size, the carousel effect will be exactly similar. Any doubts? Now, next one, sir. How can we use this slider without Bootstrap? Actually, without Bootstrap also you can do this slider. But if you want to use this slider, you need to write some chota JavaScript. Okay. A basic JavaScript is enough to do a slider, but that basic JavaScript is not completed. Even if you remove this JavaScript file, and it will not work, that slider. Is it clear, ma? Now, next. Next. Next section. About. About. I'm gonna give some kind of H2. I will say about us. And I will say class font size 6. I will say text is black only. Text center. Text center so that it will be in center. Now next, after this, div dot row, div dot call asterisk 2. Now left side, I can give one paragraph, lorem 100. Now this paragraph will have class. This paragraph will have something like class, text justify, or text no, justify. Why it's not working? Let me leave it. And right side, let's put it an image. Let's go here. 3D book cartoon. Right click, open image in new tab, Control C, Control V, Alt, IMG, class, IMG fluid. Not looking good at all. Go to the top, say it like it's a container. Second, now this font size should increase, should be at least something 4. And here, iska height should be decreased. Class height 50. Sir, how can we use difference between fluid and fluid container? Again, I'm telling it. If you are using it container will go with something left and right, some space. Container fluid, remove that space. Same thing. Container fluid bole to fully cover. Same thing goes with image also. In image also, if any gaps are there, IMG fluid will cover it. Now it's coming here, but I want it like in center. Why it's not coming in center here? Now again, div dot container. Why it's coming call and call? If I give 2 calls only, why it is coming it like only half and half? It should come 100 by 100 na, 6 by 6 na. Call 12, call 12. In reality, call 12. In chota screen, call 12. But if I come to bigger screen, call 6. If I come to bigger screen, call 6. Now perfect. Any doubt, sir? Now, next one, sir. Next one. After about. After about, I will put some kind of famous books or something kind of one. We'll put some kind of card components and we'll design one footer. Is it clear, ma? You can put more and more things, sir. Now, let's put it. Section top books. H2. Our best selling books. Month. So, class text center. After this, div container, div row. Inside the row, I wanted cards. Per row, I wanted four cards. In each device, I want different way. Okay. If I go here in Chota screens, I want div dot column 12. If I go for something like medium devices, I wanted something like 6. If I go for something large devices, I want something uh 3. So that 3 means 4 cards will come. So I will just write it here 4. Any doubts, ma? No. I just wanted some cards. Yesterday we did card. Okay, card is also one component. Sir, if you don't want it to do it on your own, always there is a chance to go to this particular one and bring it. Go to card and you can just copy paste it here. Card. Card is very simple one. See, it contains title card and it is having some width. I will just remove that width. And it is having some image of the book, I think. And then it is having something card image top is a class name so that the top image will come. Card body, inside the card body, one card title is there and card text is there and something like button is there. Any doubts, sir? Now go here. Let's have a book name. Now let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Copy. Now let's go here. IMG. Now see, it's up to you. If see, listen, you will have some time. When you are having the time, put it all the books you like. Okay, or any kind of site. Now I'm just gonna put it something same book again and again and again. Don't worry. This is my card. So I will just copy this same book. Now paste it here. Paste it here. Now if I go here, any doubts, ma? Why this much gap came, Ray? Why this much gap is coming? See the image height. Image height is taking too much height. 400. Now it's perfect. Any doubt, sir? No, these are our best selling books. Let me give some padding to all. Padding x axis, y axis. Padding y axis 5. Oh, sir, I gave it everything in container. You know why that container not worked? Because I gave it in ID, sir. I should give it in class now. I should give it here. Padding Y. Control C. Class name. Go here. Now padding is there. Next. Same thing I will repeat it for another one also. Next. Next one. Uh, let's have another book. This time I will say top action books. Best selling action books. Next one. Again, top. Best selling, uh, best selling comic. You don't need to write anything. Like this, you can able to put more and more, sir. It's up to you. Any doubts, ma? Are you all getting my point, sir? Are you all getting my point? Any doubts? Till now, I did not write any CSS. Okay. Now, but my site is completely responsive.
This meeting is being recorded.
No. Next. Let's go here. There are so many components are there. Please explore. I'm taking another component called accordion. What is that component called? Accordion. Do you guys know what is accordion, sir? Array FAQs. You will use FAQs, na? Frequently asked questions. This is called accordion. Did you ever tried it? In websites, it will be there. These are called accordions. So I'm just taking an accordion. And I will just keep on accordion here. FAQ class container and inside h2 dot text dash center. Here we will write it something like frequently asked questions. py5. Now in this, let me put one accordion. Now that too, that accordion will come in row, no need. Accordions will come in container only directly. Go to your website. Can you see here, sir? Any doubts, ma? Sir, you need to change the text, sir. If you take my website and if you change the text, if you put it some more options,
This
now inside
meeting is
this,
being
I'm gonna
recorded.
put it one form. Inside the bootstrap, each and every input value will have a class name called form control. What is the class name? Let's write it here. One input box, ma. Input type equals to text. Class equals to form dash. You can see that form dash. If you are a checkboxer, you will write form check. If it is something like normal varser, you will write form control. Okay, if it is a color one, form color. If it is a label, form check label. Or if it is something like plain text, text one. Like this, you can put it whatever you like it. I will say form control. What is the advantage, sir, if you put form control? Kya aata? Now, if you go here, one form will be created. Can you see here? If when I click it, what is happening? Can you see ma what's happening here? That one is getting highlighted now back end. That will happen if you put this only. Now, now next class, no need of class. Style, max width, 18 REM. Oh, it's coming only here, but I want it to be center. Then I will say, instead of I will say container, I will say display flux, justify content center. Now you can see it's center, perfect. 25. Form control, this is for entering name, sir. Placeholder, enter name. Now here I will say H2 contact us. Now flux direction flux colon, and align item center. Align items center. Can you see this? Any doubts, ma? No. You can increase the paddings and all as of your wish. So I will also give something like input pass no uh, what they will enter email contact form and then input, not input, text area. So write it here, class form control. Then next, write it here, a placeholder, enter email. Then write it here, text area, class form control, form text. This one resize has to be done 9. Resize. It's not having any resize. So let me write it on my own. Style, resize, none. Form control. Now each one needs to have a gap, sir. So I will say hold this contact form. For the complete contact form, I will say, sir, complete contact form is also flux only. Complete contact form flux. I have inside the contact form 3 elements. So I will make the contact form flux box so that all will be in a flux direction column so that I can give whatever the gap I want or whatever the size I want. Okay. Now flux, flux direction column. Okay. And gap something maximum 4. See, I did not give the proper. Now go here, placeholder, enter the message. Now put a button, sir. Button, submit the form or get in touch. Now click here, class. Click here, class. Now inside this, I will give something BTN, BTN, primary. Perfect. Let's increase it, sir. This is all happening because you gave size 25 REM, 50. What if I don't give this? Down, down, down. Till now, any doubt, sir? Last but not least, put some footer. And then after putting the footer, I will just revamp if anything is there. This is very simple. The site belongs to XYZ. Copy 2024. Class BG black. Color text white. Font size 4. Uh, text center. Padding X 3. margin X, margin T. Any doubts, ma? Let me see the website in mobile screen and let's see like anything if we want to change. Now, interesting point is in this particular whole site, I did not even write a single CSS. Are you getting my point, sir? Max to max, you don't need to. Actually, if you have enough time, you can able to make it more beautiful. If you put proper pictures, if you put take it proper sizes, everything will be more beautiful. Are you getting my point, ma? Listen, sir. If you don't know JavaScript also, using Bootstrap, you can build something complete website. You can't build things like some kind of you know marriage invitation sites are there. Do you know marriage invitation sites will be there? See, just post it on online that you will create one marriage invitation site for 500 rupees. Simple. If someone pays you 500 rupees, you will create one marriage invitation site, and it will be very easy, right or not? And if you create it one time, that's enough. Next time onwards, only names will change or colors will change. Are you getting my point, ma? Or portfolios. 90% of the Amirpet students don't have any portfolios. Portfolios don't need any JavaScript. You create a nice portfolio and say it like in Amirpet only, just send some pamphlets stating that if you give me 500, I will give beautiful portfolio, 100% you will get job. 90% of Amirpet will pay you 500. Because there are so many lazy students who will pay money instead of doing themselves. Are you getting my point, sir? There will be always an opportunity. Okay. Now, if you have to do, someone is asking, tell me something about Tailwind and Bootstrap, which is better. See, if you like everything to be done by someone and then you want to use Bootstrap is for you. Tailwind is like nothing will come. If you want to use Tailwind, if you say button will not come. Nothing will come. You have to give border, you have to give space, you have to put it center, you have to give background. Everything you only have to give. There is nothing a component in the Tailwind. Some people like to build everything on their own. Why? So that they can build however they want it. Some people are okay with what is already built, like Bootstrap giving me slider. I don't question. I will just write carousel, carousel. Simple. What based on their height, I will adjust my image. But what if based on my wish, they want to change? That is what the tailwind. Are you getting my point? Ma? And I will give you nice topics also. Okay, we will just customize this. But if you want to create it, create. Like I will show you some nice ideas before I just revamp it. These are just suggestions, but believe me, creative works. Portfolio. So many people have portfolios, but create a portfolio which is creative. Kaisa sir, let me show you some examples. Like um, some kind of terminal portfolio. If you see, this is a portfolio, this is a website. Do you know that? If you want to enter, if you type it help, then they will say, what do you want to know? About you want to know, or do you want to know about their education? If I type it education, then I will get his details. And that's what the creativity means. This is like very easiest project. Is he doing any JavaScript? No. Chota one. Basic thing JavaScript, he will get it everything. Are you getting my point, sir? Or chod do. Take it Netflix. Or why Netflix also? Google search. Google search portfolio. I have seen this, and I really like portfolio like Google search maybe. Now see, someone created a site like this. If I go here, are you seeing it like the suggestions? If I click here about it, I will get his about sections. Oh, it's not coming only. Oh, that much only, I think. Are you understanding, ma? Or if I have to give suggestion, you all use WhatsApp na, Insta na. Create WhatsApp type of WhatsApp type of portfolio. That will actually be good. Or Insta type of portfolio. Like for example, if I have to open WhatsApp, left side put it some kind of about, contacts, projects, everything. Imagine left side about is there. If I click on left side about, automatically right side you will see your about section. Are you getting my point, sir? That's why I told you the first day. Only the people who don't, who have the creativity will not be replaced. Remaining things, the chota things you are creating, AI can do more better, right? Now, that is one portfolio. It has to be creative. Second one, uh, add something kind of uh, add something kind of store, one e-commerce store, but specialized, any niche. Don't create general stores like food, everything. No, create it for only one specific one. Only that specific one will be there. Beautiful it. You can even create it restaurant also, but it has to be specific. Your restaurant should not sell everything. It should sell something like only one particular niche, like burgers or pizzas or snacks or tea or chai or coffee, any one thing. That will make it more better. Or you sell some kind of toys, you sell some kind of teddies, you sell some kind of chocolates, your wish. Flowers. Are you getting my point, ma? Or if you want to do some kind of portfolios or stores, restaurants, or some kind of huh? Any other thoughts, ma? Blog. Blog is actually a cool project. Always blog kind of one. But you learned only HTML, CSS, na? I recommend you to use something kind of wedding ones, or gym, or yoga, or some communities. Those kind of things create. Any doubts, ma? Are you all getting my point? Yeah. This all will be cool projects, but put it something unique to your thing. Automatically, it will be successful. Okay. And if someone in your resume, if you are mentioning it, don't mention it like re-commerce website, portfolio website. No. Ha- have some name. For example, imagine I did this project. If I have to, if tomorrow, if I have time, I will change everything. And then after it is looking good, imagine I wanted to add into my resume. I will not say it like book e-commerce. No, I will say book bazaar. That's it. Now the HR will ask me what is that book bazaar. Then I will say it like it's in a book kind of platform, something kind of thing. Always give your projects a name, a good description, a good thought. If you want it, you can take projects from GitHub also. कुछ नहीं होता. Take someone's project and edit it. Take my project and edit it however you want it. Is it clear, ma? But if you take my project, you should able to edit in such a way that even I should not able to recognize it. That is what is skill. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? Tomorrow we are going to start something more good. That is called JavaScript. For the next 1 month, actually, this batch, I don't know why. Initially, you guys started so good. After CSS came in the holidays time, I don't know why you became something so dull. Next 10 days, if you are not sharp, ho gaya. Because in interview, they will not ask you HTML. In interview, they will not ask you CSS. In interview, they will ask JavaScript. Next, if you wanted career in web development, you have to do React or Angular. You have to know JavaScript. Only 10 days, if you focus, that's enough. You will get the basics. But next 10 days, be focused. At least do the task for the next 10 days. Is it clear, ma? Any more questions you have? Someone is asking it like for to become UI UX designer and front end are similar. Front end is like will do coding also. UI UX designer will do only Figma. We did Figma, na? Only Figma or some kind of designing only they will do. Online, someone named Shiv. They just asked me what is difference between log and blog. Do you guys know that? Blog is something online, Ray. You will post photos. Sorry, not photos. Sorry. That is log. Log means videos. Blog means you will write post. You will write some kind of post. You will just write it like what is good, like something kind of one. Okay. Shwati. Coding is not required for UI UX. That's what I told you. When I explained Figma, I told you that. If you are good in Figma designing, you don't need it any coding. You can actually go. If you have basic knowledge, that's enough. But it's heavy competition field. UI UX. Also need more creativity. Sir, I will do simple design, sir. No one will take only. Your design should be top level. Then only people will take your design. Someone, Janvi, is asking, please show some restaurant level. Okay, morning 11 o'clock class, I think no, 9 o'clock class. We just did some design. I will just show you one design, not this. Now you can do a site like this where it will have some kind of top bar. You will have some kind of logo. You will have some kind of search bar, some kind of logins. Actually, it's not aligned nicely. Okay, something about Muchly one we did. Okay, morning we did design this. So then you will have some kind of menu. Okay, see, it's having some kind of fishes on every side. It is having a big banner. Now, banner background is there. It's a slider, and we have it some kind of things here. Okay, and CTA is mandatory. Go down. So it showed me categories of fishes we sell. See, can you see the background? Can you see the background? I put some kind of fishes there. Now, again, if you go here, what are the fishes we sell? Galleries, different kind of fishes. I put the same thing everywhere. Okay. Now, that's it. Any other doubts, ma? Someone online asked me what is WebKit and all. WebKit is used. Sometimes you will see MOZ, a WebKit. Those things in CSS used for specific browser. WebKit is a specific browser. For example, you did one feature that is not working in Google Chrome, but it is working in Mozilla Firefox. So only to apply to Google Chrome, you will add WebKit. Okay. Only to work it in Mozilla Firefox, you will add MOZ. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Today's whatever we discussed in Bootstrap will be there in GitHub now only. Okay. Just take my code in GitHub and just change it however you like it and at least bring it as soon as possible. Anyone have any doubts? No. That's it for today. Thank you all, and we'll meet you tomorrow.